There'll be times when you're animating along a motion path and you'll want to get the object or graphic footage that you're animating to move in the direction of the path. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to quickly grab this car graphic and prepare it. To import into After Effects. And I'll create a new composition. And import that graphic that I prepared. Super good. Looks a little bit big for our purposes, so we'll shrink it down. And let's animate it, animate its position. So I've got one point here, we'll start it off here, and then at about the 2-second mark, I'll bring it up to here, and then maybe at the 10-second mark, I'll take it all the way down to here. So we've got it moving along. Let's manipulate that path a little bit by adding a few points along the way. Add a vertex. The 6, I might add another point there. Well, I can add points on the timeline as well, like so. And I can move them around in space however I like. Let's make a path for our car to travel along. Something nice and kind of curvy. Manipulate that using the Bezier handles. So something like that's good, but the problem we have is that the car is not going to travel or point in the direction that we want it to be pointed, which is a little bit of a problem, but we can easily fix that up by right-clicking on our asset there, or going up to the layer. Right-click first. So, oops, on our asset, and then go to the transform menu option, and then right down here we've got auto orient. And if we orient along path, click OK, we can see that our car's going to be not quite perfect. We have to adjust the rotation, so I'll just bring up the rotation property and swing that around until our car's in line with the path. Now when we move our timeline indicator through time, you can see that our car will orient itself to that path. So I'm sure you can see that that's very useful.